Hello, hello, hello. Bridget Bartlett here with Vision Marketing and Design. Today, I wanted to share with you some of my favorite tools that I use for marketing. I am not an affiliate for any of these tools. I just simply wanted to share with you. Hopefully, it helps you out if you're doing marketing. Maybe you are a business owner, real estate agent, you do your own marketing. These are some amazing tools that it took me forever to figure out. The very first one, I am so excited about this tool. This has I cannot tell you how much time this has saved me, and I've actually looked into becoming an affiliate because I tell every single person I know, including now you, about this tool because I love it so much. So this is called Zapier. It's zapier.com. Basically what Zapier does is it takes different applications that line and it connects those apps so it makes it work together. You can see from this list here, there are tons and tons of apps that it works with. There are so many uses for this, it's just mind-boggling. You'll look here so you can search. We'll search for Gmail. What I actually have this set up to do is when I get a Gmail email, I take that contact and I want to add it to my Google contacts. So I'll do that and then I will add that to my contact mailing list. But for this purpose, just to save time, and I'm not actually going to do this because I don't want to set up, this is my real active account, so I don't want to interrupt those processes. So what I'll do is they have all of these options here that you can choose from. So basically, what do you want to do with this Gmail app that we have just selected? So we're going to choose a trigger. Here are all these triggers here. You can even, one of the things that small business owners that have an issue, including myself, is when you get a receipt to your email account, you want to upload it to QuickBooks or maybe Google Drive. You can actually set this so when you get an email to your Gmail account and it's a receipt, you can set this to look for the word receipt. And if it finds that word, you can tell it where to put that email. So basically you could say any email I get to my Gmail account that says receipt, maybe in the subject line, maybe in the email, you can even be that specific. So if I get a receipt email that said receipt in the subject line, I can set that up to send wherever. Maybe I want to completely download that and put it on my Google Drive. I still am learning all of the many benefits of having Zapier. I wish I was an affiliate, but they do not have an affiliate program. I have looked into it because I absolutely love it, and I tell everyone I know who is in small business doing their own marketing or any marketers that I know. We're going to say any new email that comes to this Gmail account is what I want to trigger something to happen. So I want to use this. You can even test it, make sure it's connected. I'm going to select this account here. And then I am going to, it says, if no label mailbox is selected, this app will trigger on all emails, including drafts. So you can be as specific as you want to be. We're just going to hit continue. You can choose this. It'll tell you it'll basically give you a layout of an email, and then you can select the fields. You'll have to play around with it. It's very easy. It does take a few minutes to kind of get the hang. Okay, so it's telling me I need one more step. So I've chosen the initial trigger. I've chosen the account, what I want it to do. Now it's saying, okay, what do you want us to do with that account? Well, what I want it to do is I want it to take that email and I want it to copy to my Google Contacts. So I'm going to select Google Contacts. I want it to create a contact from that email that it received. And I want it to create it under this account list. That's what I'm selecting here. You can test it again if you want to. It'll turn green, let you know that it is connected. Save and continue. You can choose which fields you want it. So if I want the first name, I tell it that's what I want to copy to that contact list. And then I would search through this sample email that it gave me, and then I would choose the name that I want to go in the first name box there. So basically I would look through this email, there's a name, so I would select that, and it tells it that field in that type of email is what is going to be the first name. So basically you have all these options here that you can choose. Once you've been as specific as you want to, like you can see, there's tons and tons of options, then you would hit continue. Okay, so it basically gives you the opportunity to send a test, and then after this step here is completed, then you could either choose another option. Maybe you want it to go to your Constant Contact list. I use Constant Contact as well. I am an affiliate for that. I absolutely love it. I will put my link in the description box, but for Zapier, like I said, I am not an affiliate. So basically what you would do is send a test to Google Contacts. You would make sure it's working. I'm not going to complete this step because I do have this account. I have a Zap already created. I don't want it to interfere with that. So what I'm going to do is just go back to the dashboard here. The next tool, you can see there's tons and tons of things you can do with it. I have several set up on this account here. The next tool I'm going to show you is Conv. It's conv.com. Conv is amazing. You can create all kinds of posts. You can create business cards, Instagram stories. You can create thumbnails for YouTube. Basically, it's a drag and drop, very, very simple graphic design tool. So what you do is you just select, like I just select a social post. It comes up here with all kinds of templates that you can use. You can take the template, you can change the wording, you can just leave the template as it is. This is popular with a lot of my clients that are real estate agents. They love to have, when they have a house for sale, you know, they'll have us create some of these things. You know, we'll change the wording and the pictures and the address, and basically it's just a very attractive way of marketing your house or your product. Very professional, catches attention. It's very, very nice. But if you're not a great graphic designer, it's irrelevant. You could actually, if you want to start, you know, you want to use this tool to generate some cash flow and work at home, you can actually use Fiverr.com, Upwork. You can market yourself as being someone who can provide this service. And you can, you know, our agency will create one of these for $20. So you can see, I mean, this would take me maybe 5 minutes to complete. And it's very nice. Like I said, $20 in 5 minutes, that's pretty sweet. So this is one of the tools. See how simple it is you can change that. You can just put, you know, quickly sold, just for the sake of showing you how that works. You can, so that didn't fit, and what I want to do is just adjust this. I can move it up. I can change all this around. I can take these words here, change all that. So, all right. So that's Conv. Let me take you back here. I want you to see how really, really cool Conv is and all of the options that you have available to create different designs. I just wanted to take you down the home screen because it's really impressive. All of these things, if you create one and you want it, say you've created a Facebook cover here. It's formatted and sized exactly to fit your Facebook cover for those dimensions. The same with like Facebook posts or Instagram posts. But if you create one for Facebook, there's a quick button. It'll just say resize, copy and resize, and it'll format that for whatever purpose that you're trying to use it for. You could even customize the size or just do the standard, you know, Instagram post. You can see here, you create, when I do marketing proposals for businesses, sometimes I will add one of these covers to the report. It just makes it look more professional, gives a better impression. just different things through here. I just wanted to scroll through so you could see. I really love Conv. I wish they had an affiliate program because I would definitely be a part of that. Loom. Loom is actually the extension that I am using right now to record this video. I love Loom. It's it's free. Conv, by the way, is $12.50 a month, I think. So Loom, again, the Loom extension, you would just download. I love Loom. I use it often. I'm using it right now. One of the most frequent things that I use Loom for is to create quick videos to send to like tech support. So I can show them exactly, I'll just record, whatever problem I'm having, and it'll give me the video in the form of a link, or you can download it, but I'll just send the link to tech support, and that really helps them to quickly identify what exactly I'm talking about and what the problem is so that they can help me resolve it. Loom is free. You just download the extension, start using it. The last tool I'm going to tell you about is Galleryify. Love Galleryify. Because I build websites, I love to use Galleryify. It basically takes it's just an extension for Google Chrome again, but it basically takes all of the images from the website that you've clicked. So I'll just show you here. So this allows you to take all of these images on this page, and then you can download them, and it really helps, especially if you're building websites or something, or ads. When you download these images, it'll put it in a PNG file. So if there's a transparent background, you're able to place that image on your ad or your design, whatever you're working with, or a website, and it won't show the white in the background. That's really awesome tool to have. So it'll take all these images, as you can see. You would just download it. Instead, sometimes you want to right click here, and it won't. See, this wants to save it as a link instead of an actual document. So very, very helpful tool. Absolutely love it. Those are my top tools that I wanted to tell you about today.